Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to give customers more payment options, like Stripe, PayPal, or whatsoever, connecting your PayPal to Squarespace is a great move as I told you. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you exactly how to connect Squarespace to PayPal in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way to your favorite browser and look for Squarespace. So tap on this thing. We have this website here. All you're gonna do is just log in using your email address and password. For now, we're gonna go all the way and tap on settings or the gear icon. Go to selling here. Then you have multiple options: business information, customer accounts, low stock alerts, or whatsoever, shipping. We're gonna go for today for payments, add ways to receive payments here. So select PayPal and tap on connect. After this, log into PayPal or sign in using your PayPal business account. You can even create a new one if you don't have it. So authorize the Squarespace, allow Squarespace to access your PayPal account and information, then set the PayPal preference. Confirm the currency and payment options, then test a checkout by placing a test order to confirm PayPal appears at the checkout. As for little tips, you should use a PayPal business account instead of a normal for the full features. Enable PayPal Express checkout and keep your PayPal email verified. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.